What if I told you that you could make up to $950 a day online just by copying and pasting links of trending Google News stories or viral YouTube videos using an insanely user-friendly AI tool? Here's the best part. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. This is a simple strategy that even a 10-year-old could follow. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true, doers not dreamers, but stick with me. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. I'll show you examples, payment proof, and real success stories from people making up to $5,000 a day using this same copy and paste method. And if that sounds good to you, and you love the idea of making money online with no experience or technical skills, type $950 a day in the comments so we can start the manifestation process. Welcome back to the Doers Not Dreamers Academy, and thank you so much for always showing up. I don't take your support for granted. Why trending topics matter. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why this works. Trending topics and viral videos go big fast because they're what people are actively searching for. For example, there's a faceless YouTube channel called Viral Now. It has over 770K subscribers, and, according to vidIQ, it earns up to $177,000 a month, about $5,800 a day, from this exact kind of content. And guess what? You can create similar content using the Google copy and paste method I'm about to share. Even bigger, the YouTube channel Brightside has over 44 million subscribers and reportedly earns between $72,000 to $216,000 a month, up to $7,000 a day. Step 1. Source the content. We're going to start by finding content to use from two sources. 1. YouTube, owned by Google. Search for successful faceless YouTube channels using this simple prompt in ChatGPT. Give me examples of successful faceless YouTube channels. From the list, I recommend going with educational content. It pays more. Let's use TED as an example. This is an animated faceless educational channel with over 20 million subscribers. According to vidIQ, it earns up to $5,000 a day. Here's what you'll do. Go to the channel, click Videos, then filter by Popular. Choose a video with 1M plus views. Copy the video link. We'll use this later. 2. Google News, also owned by Google. Go to Google News, click through the categories, business, tech, sports, etc., and identify trending articles. Find a news story with strong public interest. For example, when I made this video, a story about massive power outages in Kentucky was trending. All you need is the link to the article, not the whole thing. Step 2. Create the video with InVideo AI. Now let's turn those links into professional videos using InVideo AI. Getting started. Head to the link in the description and sign up for InVideo AI. You'll land on the homepage. Click Create AI Video. Now let's use the YouTube video we found earlier. Here's the prompt to use. Create a 2-minute animated video for YouTube using this YouTube video link. Paste your copied video URL, then hit Generate Video. InVideo AI will automatically use generative media, if you have the right plan, to create a brand new animated video. Choose your audience, e.g. general public. Leave the background and platform as default, and proceed. Check out the video that was created. Sample video about water and the human body plays. Amazing, right? And we did all that by simply copying and pasting a video link. You can further customize, change the voiceover, swap music, replace media with generative elements, even clone your voice for future videos. Let's try Google News. Now let's do the same with a Google News article. Use this prompt. Create a 2-minute video for YouTube using this blog link. Paste your trending article link and hit Generate Video. This time, choose stock media instead of generative media to keep costs low. In minutes, you'll have a professional quality news update video. Watch how it turned out. Sample news video plays. Want to change the voice to a Southern male accent? Just type your command into InVideo AI and it'll do the rest. Step 3. Post and scale your channel. Now it's time to create your YouTube channel and start posting. Here's your posting strategy. For trending news, Post 1 to 3 minute videos multiple times a day. For educational content, post 5 to 7 minute videos 1 to 3 times a week. The key to success is consistency. I didn't go viral right away. It took months, and in some cases years, of consistent posting. But the beauty of this method? You can make money while you sleep. YouTube places ads on your videos and pays you per 1,000 views. And this copy and paste strategy requires no fancy skills or gear, just your effort and consistency. Pricing and plans. You can try InVideo AI for free, but to unlock generative media, like in our first example, I recommend the generative plan at $96 a month. It gives you 15 generative minutes. Prefer using stock media? That starts at just $28 a month on the annual plan. Final thoughts. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a potential life-changing income stream. Whether your goal is $100 a day or $950 a day, the only thing standing between you and success is action. So, doers not dreamers, grab your device, pick your links, and start turning them into viral videos with InVideo AI. Until next time, walk good.